as you all know, we were on the tutorial series on on drawings and sketches. So today I'm going to share one more sketch with you and techniques how to make them. Keep in mind that we are gradually increasing the level of every shading or drawing we are going to make. Thank you and enjoy the upcoming video that we are going to start soon. So I'm going to show you how to make front face of girl, and then in the next video I'll show you how to make that of boy. So things needed for that are drawing pencils, a normal pencil, cotton for blending, eraser and sharpener. So we are going to start the video. So we will first make a straight line like this and then make a sleeping line. Now we will make a circle and another circle beneath that circle. Now we got a chin here. We will join this point with this and this point with this. Now we will erase this under path of two circles and let these two lines be there. Now we got a face shape. In these two lines we will now start making the eyes. So I told you how to make eyes in the previous videos, so I hope that I don't need to show you that, so I'll skip the video from here. So if you want to know how to make these beautiful eyes, you can get to the link given in the description to the video for that. Now I'm going to show you how to make nose. So for making nose, please follow the steps I'm doing. To get the more described shading of nose, you can also, the link is given in the description for that too. So now we will move to the nose. We will first make a line. Now make two big circles here and two small circles here. Now likewise we will do we will erase it. We got this line. Now we will start shading this all. And now we will make some spokes. And this is done. Now you can show some flaws that is natural in any of the face. Now we will start shading it all. So let's start. We will first make we will first do some shading here to show the chin. Now we will blend it all. We will start the makings and shading this. I'm gonna show you how to make and do shading for this lip. So we will first take our two normal pencil, make some spokes here like this. Now we will shade it and blend it like this. So shading is never so difficult, you can do it very easily. Now we will make it like this, and now again blend it all using the cotton. Now we will start shading the forehead. So you can see I am highlighting this all side by side also. Now we will make the forehead. So first we need to erase this line, and now we will take the 2B pencil and make some spokes here and here. And blend it. At last, when the face making is done, we should always highlight some points. And whenever you are highlighting those points, blend that too. Now we will make the hair. For making the hair, you can make any of the hairstyle. So I'm making a very basic hairstyle. Of a simple ponytail. And now we will give it a realistic look. So while giving it a realistic look, what we have to do is that give the darker parts a darker look and lighter parts a lighter look for the hair. Now you need to take the 4B pencil and shade its ponytail like this, because light is not falling that much on the ponytail. You can show some hairs getting out of the braid, because this is a natural thing that happens so usually, and you can even show some hairs like this from here. Now you saw that we have drawn the layers of hair. Now you might be thinking that what to do with these portions left. So for this I'm going to shade it all dark, because light isn't falling on that part. And that was done. Now you can give her any other appearance for the t-shirts, etc. But remember, while you are drawing the neck, you should first darken it here and then likewise go to the lighter portions. And it's done. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Now here I'm going to end my video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, and the links for making the face parts are given in the description. Stay tuned with Incredible Indian Arts.